Hey guys, what is up? We are going to be finishing our little marathon. At least it's a marathon for me. And watching the last 2 episodes I have of My Little Pony Friendship is Magic Season 8. Before we get to the finale, which I am going to wait to watch because I want that to be the best quality possible. Now, I had to take a little break. I'm sorry. It has to happen. I have a bladder. It has to be emptied regularly in order for me to function as a human being. But I'm back, and we are going to be watching My Little Pony Season 8, Episode 23, The Sounds of Silence. And that's actually a really ominous title compared. And I'm excited because I have heard good things, because apparently the episodes aired at different times. I don't know if that's like a thing that's always been happening, or if it's like this season in particular where certain places got episodes earlier than others. But a lot of you guys say that you love this episode, and the title makes me kind of scared. So I don't really feel like doing a prediction. I didn't feel like doing a prediction last time. So I guess it's just that I don't. So let's just go ahead and get started. 3, 2, 1, go.
I can't believe you two are going on a friendship quest. This is amazing.
Oh.
What do you mean, Twilight? We've been on one together before.
Exactly. This is the first time the map has teamed up the same ponies for a second quest. That is special.
Is it though?
Must be because we're extra good at solving friendship
What
problems.
were
I
they
hope so,
ones?
because it looks like this one might be a little tricky. You're going to the Peaks of Peril.
The Peaks of Peril?
Ah, it's just a name. It doesn't mean anything.
Like how Cloudsdale is in the clouds and the Crystal Empire's made of crystal?
I mean,
Fair
like,
point.
yeah, she has
So,
some.
what can he tell us about this
She
place,
has a-
Twilight?
Only what Rockhoof told
Good
me.
point.
Back in his day, no pony knew much about the Peaks of Peril, except for the legend on this ancient shield. It says a group called the Kirin used to live there, known for their kindness and truth-speaking.
Now we know why the map called us.
Unfortunately, other creatures also live there. The Neric, fearsome beasts of pure fire.
Oh. Oh, she looks like the unicorn from shit.
Sorry, Fluttershy. Flanks don't lie.
I'm spacing. I'm sorry.
I'm sure the two of us will get that
Dem's
friendship
fighting
problem
hurts.
solved no matter what
I
kind
love
of
playing
trick
as
she
her. I
has.
think she's rad.
My little pony, my little pony.
To be honest, I'm kind of confused when I watch this because I recently got a new tablet to replace my old drawing tablet, so I have like 2 screens right now. So it's like, ugh. Maybe I should step up my game and watch 2 episodes at once. And I shall be the alpha. Okay, but seriously, I kind of want to do commissions again, just to get used to the new tablet and its feel. Would you guys be open to that? I'll put up some recent artwork that I've done on screen.
Guess no pony else is going out as far as we are.
Maybe they know something we don't.
Now, Fluttershy, I've told you a dozen times, there's nothing to be scared.
I'm sorry.
You really startled us.
Oh, it's just that I'm not used to seeing any pony taking the train to the end of the line. The final destination. The last stop.
We get the picture. Why?
Nothing but
Those are all-
uncharted terrain
Those are all
and
metaphors for death. Okay.
beasts out that way.
I wonder how much you get paid. It can't be a lot, and I feel bad. Oh, okay. Comedy's spot on for this episode.
To be scared of.
Aww. Where's Fluttershy? You just kind of left her behind there. She hasn't been there for the past few
Those must be the
scenes.
peaks of peril.
Applejack!
Tough going, huh, Fluttershy? Fluttershy?
Really? Really?
Oh.
Couldn't even bother to, like, to have a conversation while you trekked all this way?
There. That should be enough flowers to keep your tree cozy.
Fluttershy? What are you doing? This is no time for visiting varmints. We're on a friendship quest, remember?
Yes, but actually...
Come on! We're burning daylight!
I know, but what I found out is that...
Now we gotta get up that peak. I figure if we use some rope and elbow grease, we can make it up half.
Applejack!
Ooh.
Can you please listen to me?
Oh god, that was
What I'm
great.
trying to say is...
That
the
sass,
squirrels
though.
told me a shortcut they take to the Kieran village.
Handy.
Oh. Sorry, Fluttershy. I suppose I got a little too caught up in the adventure.
That's all right. If you hadn't come back to get me, I probably would have talked to the squirrels all day.
Ooh.
I hope that's not an Eric.
Show yourself!
I'm excited. I wonder what they look like. Oh, shit. That's so cool. They're so pretty looking.
Well, hi. I'm Applejack, and this here's Fluttershy.
I'm gonna be drawing so much shit of them. It's so great. Look at how pretty they look. They're not
If you
talking.
have any friendship problems, we're here to help.
Do they just not understand? I guess they speak a different language, huh?
Huh. Quiet bunch, ain't they? We're from Equestria, and we're plumb tickled to meet y'all. So, what are your names?
Can you write it in the ground?
Applejack, Fluttershy.
Okay,
Remember?
they're quiet, not
Maybe
dumb.
they don't understand us.
Yeah.
Do you understand Ponish?
Okay. Okay.
Oh, but you don't speak?
Oh.
Don't or won't?
Will you excuse
I mean,
us
is
for
there a
moment?
difference? I mean, respect their
You have
decision,
to ask
Applejack.
yes or no questions, or they won't answer.
Like talking to Angel Bunny?
Yeah.
Not exactly.
Oh.
I can always tell what Angel is feeling, but these Kieran don't show anything.
Well, how are we gonna solve a friendship problem if none of them will tell
Are they
us what it
ponies or are
is?
they something else? Are they like a type of pony? They look really cool though. Like I'm really digging the mane thing. You know, and how it like looks like a
These
lion's
Kieran
mane where
are
it's like got a
quieter than
little
an apple blossom on
ruff on their
Snowfall.
chest.
Still, there's gotta be some way to
I
make
think it
them
looks
speak.
nice. I think they're really cool looking.
Beautiful day,
Oh.
ain't it? Knock, knock.
Nope.
Now you say, who's there?
They're not gonna talk, Applejack.
Police! Police who? Police! Say something!
Look, Applejack, they're not hurting anybody. Just let them be quiet.
Uh-oh.
They don't
I
wanna
feel
talk,
a
then they don't
sneeze
have to
coming
talk.
on. Achoo!
No.
Gesundheit.
Oh, don't any of y'all talk?
Oh. Are they
Now
banished
we're
if they
getting
talk?
somewhere.
A dark,
Oh,
spooky
that
path
sucks.
that leads into unknown territory?
It's
Tell
like
you
you're a
what, Sugar
baby and
Cute,
you cry and you're like,
stay
sorry,
and see if you
shuck
can
him
get
into the
anything out of these
woods.
here Kier. I'll go try and find one
Yikes.
that talks.
Phew. Be careful. And watch out for Nerex.
You're in Fluttershy's bubble. Is that one of them? Oh, it's just it's a squirrel. Oh God.
Oh, have you seen a Kieran that talks? Any idea where I should look?
I really like her. I love the white coat.
Oh, for the love of Celestia! Can't you just say something?
Gotcha. Sorry, but that was too good. Oh, you don't know how much I miss jokes. Hilarity. Am I pronouncing that right? Some words I haven't said in a while. Hi, I'm Autumn Breen.
She sounds amazing.
You've just arrived, and
I love
perhaps
her.
you're tired or hungry or reflective and want to sleep and eat and journal, which you should do, of course. But first,
Yes.
oh, what joy to talk with another creature. It's been so long. You must tell me everything about you. There's so much to say, so much to do. Oh, look at me. I'm going on, and you haven't seen. I mean, have you seen? What am I saying? Of course you haven't. So just, I will just follow me.
I love her.
That was something, all right.
I love her. She got a tiny little hut. It's so cute.
Oh, wow. This is amazing.
Oh, you think so too? The way the light shimmers off everything, like it all suddenly woke up the moment you saw it, and you realize maybe the water and the mountains and the forest.
Oh,
and
being
the
quiet
rainbow
must
and
have been
stars and
torture
sky
for
are
you.
all looking back at you, thinking the same thing, that we are a part of the everything. That maybe there's just one thing, and we are all it.
Wow.
I was gonna say it's pretty, but yeah.
And this is just the first stop on a journey of amazing things to see, smell, tiptoe through. Oh, I haven't been able to share all of this with any pony in forever since they all took that vow of silence. So it's a lot for me to, process.
Vow of
Process.
silence.
That's deal with.
What the fuck? Why did they do a vow of silence?
Vow of silence?
That's why they asked me to leave.
I hope it's not a sore subject, but you mind explaining why y'all went quiet in the first place?
It's a long story.
Okay, you love to talk.
Rather not talk about it?
No.
I understand.
I'd rather sing.
Oh, okay. I mean, okay.
The Kieran used to speak and sing. We weren't always quiet. We told stories and funny jokes.
Sounds good.
And it was a riot. But then one day a fight broke out and hurtful words were said. Flaring tempers were inflamed.
Oh,
Suspicion
shit.
spread. And flaming red from head to head, it even burnt our bread. Sorry, I forgot how much I love rhyming. Where was I? Oh, right. My happy
So
village lay in
that's
ruins. Relationships got worse. Spoiler alert, we quickly learned that words could be a curse. No more talking, yelled our leader. The last thing said aloud. Into the stream of silence, we stepped as a crowd.
The stream of silence?
And peace was soon restored. But with no way to speak my thoughts, I got super bored. Seriously, there's only so long that Sudoku can keep you entertained. 'Cause
Yeah, valid point.
the sky unless you let it rain. And shiny apples sometimes come with worms. No, you can't give up your laughter 'cause you're scared of a little pain. It's a
Yeah.
lesson that the Kieran never learned.
That's so sad. The fact that she knew about this and couldn't say it out
Listen with
loud.
the voices in my head. Till
Oh.
I tripped over my salvation in a helpful flower bed. I found a cure to clear my thoughts, and I became quite chatty. With years and years of stored up words, I drove my village batty.
I mean,
They
like,
didn't
yeah.
like my jokes and songs and daily dose of news. The plays I wrote, the speeches spoke, variety reviews. Or the story about the Kieran who hid below an opera stage and fell in love with this opera singer, and he wore a freaky half mask thing, and he played the organ a lot and got all broody because the singer was in love with another dude, so he took her away on this underground gondola. I mean, who doesn't love musical theater?
Okay. Valid point.
I had to make my choice. I could stay and live with them, or I could keep my voice.
Wow.
So I came here but left the couch alone. They're hard to move. With just the view for company until you heard me groove. Take it away, boys.
Oh, that's so sad though.
Rainbows won't light up the sky unless you let it rain, and candles just won't glow until they're burned.
Oh, that's so good though. I love this. Oh, she's so cute and so smart.
No matter how hard I schooled them, fear of hurt is still what ruled them. Sometimes you gotta let it
God, man.
Yeah, sometimes you've gotta let it
friend.
She's still so lonely, though. And she didn't do anything wrong. That's so sad.
Oh, I can't believe it. No pony should give up feeling their feelings just to keep from getting angry.
That's what I said. Well, you know, when I started talking again.
I bet this here's the
I
problem.
love
that
her. I want
Fluttershy
to
and
know
I
who
came to help
voices
y'all
her.
with.
Really? Who's Fluttershy? Oh, did you name your shadow? Mine's called Silhouette Gloom of the Sundown Lands.
Ooh.
Right.
Nice.
Well, I'm thinking if we just go talk to the other Kieran, we can get him to welcome you back proper like. Maybe even convince him to take your cure.
Oh, yes, yes, of course. Oh, just one small thing. The antidote for my anecdote, it's gone.
There's no cure left?
I used the last of the false breath flowers to make it, and I haven't seen them bloom since.
False breath.
Well, this wouldn't be a friendship quest. if
Wait
it
a
was
minute. Fluttershy was messing with some blue flowers in the beginning, right? To help the squirrels.
You know, between you and me, I'm not sure she's gonna convince them.
Nope.
But I hope she does.
She doesn't deserve to be so lonely. She's too precious for this world.
I figured out the friendship problem.
I'm gonna draw a
Me too.
picture of her.
Go ahead. Bet that's a problem the Kieran never have.
No.
Anyhow, we gotta get them all talking again.
Oh, no. We can't ever let that happen.
I thought you said you figured out the friendship problem. Was something lost in translation?
I think something was lost in
The
perspective.
Kieran are usually peaceful and kind. But when they get mad, they turn into Neeriks, creatures made of fire and vengeance.
That seemed less scary when it was in a song.
The last time they all argued, they got so angry, they accidentally destroyed their whole village. So the Kieran decided to make sure it would never happen again.
But that's no reason to stop talking.
Well, yes, it is. Fire is dangerous, especially in
Fire
forests
bad.
like this. Well, think of all the animals it could hurt.
Not if they don't turn into fire-breathing Neerik in the first place.
And how can you be sure that won't happen?
There's gotta be a better way than giving up all your feelings.
Applejack, you're not listening!
'Cause you're not talking any sense.
What are they doing?
Oh.
Maybe they got worried.
Oh
because
no,
we
they're
were
gonna chuck him
arguing
in the
with each other.
stream. Oh.
Shucks.
Oh
We were just
no.
having a normal civil disagreement. Honest.
Where are they taking us?
I do not consent. They do not consent. Oh
To
no.
the stream of silence. If we hit that water, we'll never be able to talk or feel anything ever again.
Put them down!
Oh.
It's all right. I think I know this one, and she's trying to help.
Well, yeah. Can't have them silence the only friend who'll speak to me.
She talks?
You have no idea.
I love it.
Fluttershy?
I love her. She's just so great. I love Autumn Blaze so much.
Thank you for that, wall of fire. But I thought Neeriks were dangerous when they're angry. How did you know you could control your temper?
I didn't. I guess anger's like other feelings. It's not about having them, it's what you do with them.
And giving up happiness to keep away anger is no kind of life.
I never thought of it that way. I can't imagine not being able to talk to my animal friends.
Fernflare, you used to love to laugh at everything. And Rainshine, you sung the most beautiful harmonies. Don't you miss it?
I know you're worried about fighting, but friends can disagree without causing a ruckus.
Every pony gets mad sometimes. Even Applejack and I argue.
What? When do we ever argue?
Like
On the way here,
15
and about the
seconds
Kieran being
ago.
silent, and right now.
We don't always see eye to eye, but we never let that get in the way of our friendship.
And if you're really angry, then take some time away to be a Neerik where it won't hurt any pony.
Aw, yeah.
I think they're trying to say something.
Okay, are you hungry? Oh no, some Kieran trapped in a well? Okay, baby fish. Baby fish mouth? Something? Anything? Just write it down. Oh, this is making me furious. Would you excuse me? I'll be right back.
Scream into a pillow.
You were saying. Oh! You want the cure for the stream of silence!
That's wonderful. Isn't it?
Well, it would be, except there aren't any flowers left to make the cure.
Are you sure?
Oh, beyond sure. Believe me, I've had a lot of alone time lately. I searched the entire forest 73.5 times.
Dang.
Although I wonder if that second half could make a difference.
I wish she'd told us what kind of flowers she's looking for.
It was something.
They're called foal's breath.
I've never heard of that.
Oh.
Fluttershy? A little help.
He says he knows where to find fool's breath.
Well, what are we waiting for? Lead the way!
I was right. Oh, sweet.
That's what fool's breath looks like?
Autumn Blaze never would have made it past the peaks to search here.
They look like bluebonnets.
I owe you an apology.
Why?
'Cause if your kindness hadn't made you stop to help the squirrels, we never would have found this here flower.
And if your honesty hadn't convinced the Kieran to talk, we wouldn't need to find it.
Guess it's a good thing the map sent both of us, huh?
I wonder how Autumn Blaze found out that this was the cure. Like, did she just make random tea out of random things?
You found them? Where were
I mean, I
they?
guess
Tell me everything and feel
she
free
was
to
pretty
add
desperate,
complicated
but still.
descriptions and comedic tangents.
No.
Oh, right. First things first.
Autumn Blaze, you have given us a gift. The realization that anger is within us, but it is our choice how we let it out. We would very
Not gonna
much
lie.
like if you came back to live
Kind of
with
think of
us.
you as a shitty leader.
I can't say how much
I mean,
we've
like-
missed your beautiful voice.
'Cause rainbows won't light up the sky unless you let it rain, and candles just won't glow until they're burned.
That's so cool. I want pink fire in my life.
Laughter, 'cause you're scared of a little pain. It's a lesson that my village never learned. Oh yes, 'cause rainbows won't light up the sky unless you let it rain.
And there we go. Oh, it just ends. Okay. Wow, that was so... I feel so bad for Autumn Blaze, though. I do. Like, that's so not fair. She didn't even do anything. She got kicked out. She was forced to... Okay. I will admit, though, it was really, really nice that she technically knew the lesson, like, from the get-go, because she had a lot of time to sit down and be alone and think and figure things out. There was no reason for her to go through the process of learning the lesson through the episode, because she clearly had been through enough to already know the lesson. So that was a really nice touch. I really liked that, the fact that she just knew it from the get-go and just flat out told Applejack the problem and the solution, and then Applejack and Fluttershy were the ones who inevitably kind of sort of had to learn it through arguing and debating what to do with them, at least for a few seconds. And then the big part that caused the conflict was the other Kieran being like, no, fuck your shit. We obviously know what we're doing, when obviously they didn't. So, that was a really good episode. I could see why so many of you guys loved it. The characters were really great. The music was actually pretty good. I want to know Autumn's voice actor, because she's amazing. And I love her. I also love her character design. I'm going to be trying to draw her several times, because I don't think I haven't drawn pony art in a pretty considerably long time. And if I'm going to do commissions again, especially from you guys, I guess I got to get back on that. So, I also have to tie up some loose ends. Oh, because the last time I did commissions, things kind of went to shit really quickly. But yeah, So that's the thing. Anyway, I'm gonna end it here. Watch the last episode of the night, and then yeah. So I will fly with you guys later.